Greetings to you all. Myself, Dr. A. Jennifer Jyoti Mary. In this video, I am going to share about set operations which are performed on the database systems. There are four set operations: union, all, union, intersection, and minus. For, for performing set operations, we can have common syntax. So selecting the columns from the table 1, after that, we need to write a set operator keyword. Then we need to select the columns from table 2. First one, union all. The SQL union all operator is used to list all the records from two or more selected statements. Here, both tables should have a common structure and in same order. It returns all the records, including duplication. Example, here I am considering two different tables, which is student 1 and student 2. These two tables are having the same structure in terms of columns and both having four different records. For this union all, we need to write a query for selecting the columns such as name and total marks from table 1 and the keyword union all. After that, we need to select the column from the second table. Once we execute this query, we will be getting output with all the 8 records as an output. So Robert, John, Rose, Edwin, Robert, Rose, Boss, and Mary. Here, Robert and Rose are repeated in two different tables, which returns with a duplication. The second one, union operator. This is used to display combined rows of two different queries, which are having the same structure, and it returns without duplication of rows. So it works like a distinct. Here, again, the same example is considered for union operator. Student 1 is a table 1, student 2 is a table 2. Both tables are having the same structure in terms of fields. Then we will be writing the query or selecting the columns from the table 1 and union keyword. Then we will be selecting the columns from table 2. Once we execute this query, we will be getting the records without duplication. If so, we will be having duplication in two different records such as Robert and Rose. So instead of taking the duplication, it removes the duplication and consider as a single record. So it shows 6 records as an output. Then next, intersect. This is used to display common rows of two different queries which are having again same structure. The common fields based on the condition can be displayed. So intersection, as we know, we are having a common in terms of two different tables. Student 1 and student 2 are taken as an example. Here, we'll be taking common from these two tables are Robert and Rose. These are the two records which are common in two different tables. For this, we'll be writing the query as selecting fields from the student 1 and write the keyword intersect, then selecting the columns from the table 2. Then we'll be getting the output as Robert and Rose because which are common in two different tables. Next to that, the last is minus. This query is to display all the records in relation 1 which are not having in a relationship. That is, for example, if A minus B is taken, we will be considering A value alone, whereas the common between A and B can be removed. So this is what the general meaning of minus in set operation that is applicable for here. So we are taking again example student 1 and student 2. In that Robert and Rose are common records in different tables. So apart from these two, we'll be taking the values from table 1. They are John and Abel. For this, we'll be writing the query as select name total marks from the student 1 first table minus, then select the two different fields from the table 2. So that we'll be getting the output as we said, Abel and John. So what is the except? The one more thing that we wanted to discuss is except. When we write A minus B, it shows the result values of A, which are not common in both A and B. Whereas for except, when we write the query except, it shows the values from B and also which are not common for A and B. So when we write the except, select the columns from table 1 and give the keyword except and select the columns from table 2. Then we'll be executing, we'll get the answer as Bose and Mary from B. So that's what the given. So that's all about the union set operations. Thank you.